Hi friends, kamusta? So I am back a bit, but yeah, it's been a long time, right? I know, it's been like, 5 years maybe, or 4 or 5 years now. So yeah, I am coming back to YouTube, doing vlogs. By the way, if you don't know me, my name is Jason Jim, and I used to be making videos about international students, workers, and even residents here in Canada. I wanted to have a new type of videos that I'll be making. So ngayon, I wanted to document my life away from home, which is the Philippines, as an immigrant here in Canada. That's why I'm making video for me to, to look back the next time that I see myself after 5 years, 10 years, or whatever years na nabuhay pa ako syempre. For this video, I wanted to ask myself, after 3 years, I will be 40 years old. Oh my God, 40 is 40. And I wanted to know kung ano nga ba yung mga na-accomplish within those 3 years. So I have 15 questions here. So that's the reason why nandito ako. Okay, so let us now begin with the question. For the question number 1, 40-year-old Jason, how are you for the span of 3 years? How are you doing na ba? Siyempre, kasi for myself, I'd been here in Canada since 2018. I used to be, like what I said, I used to be an international student, and then I got my permanent residency back in 2021, and then I'm also a Canadian citizen na. Question number 2. So, where do you live now? Saan ka na ba nakatira ngayon? 'Di ba? Kung nakatira ka pa rin ba sa Waterloo, sa Kitchener, Waterloo region, are you still in Ontario? Are you still in Canada? And let's see, I don't know. And sa 3 years, 3 years pa rin. Pero currently, I live in Waterloo na. City of Waterloo. For the past, from 2018 hanggang this year ng April, I used to live sa Kitchener. I just wanted to know, where do you live now? Question number 3. What provinces in Canada have you visited? Ang napuntahan ko pa lang ngayon talaga, I'm from Ontario. Ang province na napuntahan ko, Quebec pa lang. So, for the past almost 8 years na ako sa January 2026. I'm really hoping na marami ka na rin napuntahan, marami ka nang na-visit na provinces dito sa Canada. Okay, so let us now go to question number 4. How many countries you've been to? Kung sa Canada, 2 pa lang yung provinces na napupuntahan ko. Last year, nakapunta rin ako ng Mexico with my friends, for 1 week. So yun pa lang napupuntahan ko in the span of my stay here sa Canada. So, how about you, 40-year-old Jason? Ano na ba napuntahan mong countries? Question number 5. So, have you visited the Philippines again? 2018 hanggang ngayon, once pa lang ulit ako nakabalik ng Philippines. Last year, I celebrated my birthday last year, 2024. Ayun, of course, na with my parents and my brother. Si Mama, si Papa, tsaka si Jeremiah. That was 3 weeks na nag-stay ako sa Philippines. Honestly, wala akong sinabihan masyado nun. That's the only time na parang ang tagal ko na dito. Siyempre gusto ko rin naman na mag-spend time sa family ko. Once pa lang ako nakauwi ng Pilipinas. So ikaw, 40-year-old Jason, have you returned to the Philippines for a vacation or even a visit man lang? Alright, so let us now go sa question number 6. Are you still documenting your life? How often do you post? This is the first video again that I'll be posting. Since back in 2021, I'm trying to post as much as possible, but I don't know kung am I going to post weekly ba or whatever. But 40-year-old Jason, I know na ngayon gusto mo talagang dire-diretso to at gusto mong patuloy sa YouTube. Are you still posting? Ano na mga na-document mo sa buhay mo? Ano yung mga magagandang bagay and even yung mga lowest point mo? Share mo naman sa akin. Alright, so number 7. How much subscribers do you have? If you go back sa YouTube file or sa YouTube ko ngayon, if If I'm not mistaken, it is actually 23,000 subscribers. So sa past 3 years na yan, doon natin malalaman kung talaga bang consistent yung posting mo. So or ilan na ba ang subscribers mo ngayon? Alright, so question number 8. Where do you work now? Do you still have full-time job or do you have part-time job? O ano na ba ginagawa mo ngayon? Ano pinagkakabisihan mo? Ako ngayon, currently, I am a registered insurance broker dito sa Ontario. Pero syempre, back in 2018, doon mo malalaman talaga na lahat ng mga nag-migrate dito, either student ka man or even na permanent resident ka naman nakarating dito, there will be a time na parang you're gonna feel like back to zero ka. Ang mga past experience ko, naging PSW ako, yun yung personal support worker, nagtrabaho din ako sa restaurant, sa hospitality, sa hotel. And yeah, and I'm so thankful right now na I can say na I have a stable job and you know, it pays the bill. So I'm not complaining, and at the same time dito sa Canada kasi I can still feel work-life balance. So ano nga bang pinagkakabalahan mo ngayon? May trabaho ka pa ba? What is it? Question number 10. Do you have a tattoo? Yan. Currently, I don't have a tattoo. How is Arnold doing? So, I'm hoping na he's still alive and he's okay. So, si Arnold, he is a French Bulldog. He is turning 4 years old this year, November 5th. I am so thankful and grateful as well na he has been with me since 2022. Thank God na wala siyang sakit na serious illness. Thankful na masigla pa rin siya, makulit, hyper and everything. So, in 3 years, kamusta na ba si Arnold? Tell me more about him. Question number 11 na tayo. My question for you. Are you still alive? Of course. Kailangan ko itanong yan. Siyempre, hindi naman natin alam kung ano mangyayari sa buhay natin. Always remember na whatever we plan in the future, we still don't know kung anong mangyayari. Of course, God only knows what our future will be. Paano ko malalaman? Siyempre, pag may video ako. Diba? Pag sinagot ko itong mga tanong na to, after 3 years, sa 40 years old ko, for sure, buhay pa ako. Question number 12. How is your health, by the way? Kamusta ka na ba? Kamusta na yung kalusugan mo? Na-high blood ka pa ba? Sana okay ka pa naman at wala kang sakit na nararamdaman. Alright, so we are now down to the last 3 questions. Ang next question ko, are you still working out? I started working out maybe January last year. Thankfully, may discount ako from work sa gym na kung saan ako ngayon. Good life. Hindi naman talaga ako as in nagpapalaki ng katawan or nagpapabulk. Gusto ko lang maging active kasi parang wala rin naman akong time masyado na maging active. Or, you know, I tried yung badminton last time pero hindi ko rin na naituloy. Pero yun, I'm hoping na you're still taking care of your body and sana nag-workout ka pa din. Next question, number 14. So, how's your townhouse doing? Is still renting it out or did you sell it? Alright, so back in 2022, yun na nga, may townhouse and nag-stay ako doon hanggang 2024 last year ng April. Hindi talaga kayang afford na shoulder lahat ng expenses na yun. And of course, dito kasi yung contract ko for my mortgage contract was nakalock siya ng 5 years before mag-renew. And the renewal will be in 2027. So, I just wanna know, kamusta na ba yung tinitirahan mo? Especially yung townhouse mo. Nirerenta mo pa rin ba siya ngayon? Doon ka na ba nakatira? Or naibenta mo na? Let me know. Alright, so down to the final question. How's Mama and Papa? How's Jeff and Jeric? Yan. So, kamusta na ba sila ngayon? Actually ngayon, since pareho na silang senior, Mama and Papa are actually enjoying the senior citizen opportunities. Yan. Siyempre kasi sa Philippines, may 20% discount. So, yun, pag sa group chat namin, I'm so happy na they're enjoying it. Kasi siyempre, wala na rin silang trabaho ngayon. So, kahit paano, they are enjoying it at may discount pa. So, si Jeff naman, my brother, siya ay, of course, he's married to Kim. And we're so happy for next year. And then si Jeremiah, yung bunso namin, nasa Philippines pa rin. Naalala ko tuloy yung sabi na kwento ni Mama before na parang gusto ni Jeremiah na mag-ibang bansa. And my parents, or even my Mama didn't want him to, go abroad. Kasi nandito na kami dalawa ni Jeff. So wala na mag-aalaga sa kanila. But thankfully, Jeremiah has a nice job. A really good job actually. In 3 years, kamusta na ba sila? I'm hoping na positive pa din at good news ang lahat. So, yun lang naman. So, yeah, these questions are actually for my 40-year-old self. But that's the reason why as well na since this is my first video for the longest time, I kind of have given you some of my updates din sa buhay ko. Especially ngayon na I am a citizen of Canada. Nakuha yung citizenship ko noong April this year. So I'm so happy. Thank God for all of the blessings na binigay niya sa buhay ko and also sa family ko. So those are my questions to my 40-year-old self. So I'm hoping na masasagot ko to in 3 years. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated every time that I post a video. And always remember, wherever life takes you, be grateful, and the best is always yet to come. See ya!